Hi there, Titans. My name is Paige, and today I'm going to show you how you can set up the user permissions for the fallback user in the portals in Titan Web. So what I mean by this is once your Smart V is on and you have access control on, this gives you the ability to set up different permissions depending on the role of the user who is logged in. Now, I set up a user role called Burlington Users, and this is simply just seeing if the user in Salesforce belongs to the Burlington Textiles account, and if so, I want to give them certain permissions within this interface for them. So this is really cool. It allows you to have different user access and user permissions depending on what their identity is. And I really do think this is going to be great in personalizing your portals and environments for your users and clients. So what I did for my Burlington users is they actually have access to everything, but because they already have an account, I put it on my project that they would not see the sign up element. So this one is hidden and disabled. Really, it could just be hidden and they won't be able to see anything. You don't have to necessarily disable it, but everything else is good. The patient details, they were able to see this. Everything is visible, default, and enabled for all of these things. The only thing that I changed and disabled was the sign up button. All right, and then the fallback role, that's the purpose of this video. Fallback means that none of the other rules apply. So they were found in Salesforce, but they do not fall under the roles that were defined. AKA for me, that means that anybody who is not working at Burlington or doesn't have that as their account, they will be a fallback user. Now, let's watch this play out, and then I'm going to walk this through together with you. If I log in as my Burlington person, let's do Roberto, we can see that he sees everything in my interface. Let me go to my pages. He's able to see everything except for the sign up button. And here you see everything except for the sign up button. He can click on view patient details and it will retrieve his information. Awesome. It looks like he doesn't have a birthday set up. That's fine. And then let's log out and do the same thing for somebody who is not Roberto or somebody who does not work at Burlington. Let's say James Smith. This email right here. We will log in. So this person, now they should see only the sign up button, if that's how I configured it. Okay, no, I did not configure it. So let's configure the fallback user profile. We'll go into access controls. We're going to choose the fallback role, and we don't have to configure anything here because basically it's just anybody who does not fall into those other user roles. And this is where we can choose what do they want to see under the header. I do not want them to see the patient details because they do not have any patient details because they have not signed up for yet. The Salesforce get, I can just disable that because we will not be getting any of their contact info. And then on the home page, I'm going to hide the view patient details. They will still be able to sign up, but I do not want them to see the view patient details. And then we don't need to set this up at all because we were able to remove that button so they will not be able to navigate to the patient details page. All right, so I'm gonna click apply and save. And now when I enter a fallback user's credentials, email, let's do this again. Now we can only see sign up. And I have not set that up. I just wanted to show you how to use those different user access roles and especially the fallback user. So thank you for watching, and I hope that this helped.